Restrooms are at this level near the bow, right next to the laundry room where you can do your clothes. While you wait, I'll just let you borrow my robe, but then you're on your own.
Like a warm welcome.
I need to know where she goes. I need to know where everybody goes, really. Did I see? I did. Alright, anybody else? Who else needs to be repaired? Anybody else out here falling apart?
Some guy who was supposed to be on our ship just rose from the ocean like the Venus de Milo.
Okay.
So I suppose it could be the type
So this is one of those things where there's so much going on at once, I might have to...
On the way, maybe you can tell me how it came to be that you were found in a fishing net. I suppose my reviewers would call me a fabulist.
Meaning?
A person who creates fables. Mine are kind of like cautionary tales for the modern day and often have magical, ambiguous endings. I decided to join this residency because I'm kind of writing about this part of the world. You see, it's a novel that jumps back and forth in time between a small band of fishermen marooned in the 70s, the ancient gods of Oceania, and the crew of a 2020 Pacific garbage patch cleanup vessel. Let's just say there are a few things found amidst the plastic that should not be.
That seems like quite the story.
That's just a diplomatic way of saying sounds terrible.
That's not what he said. I agree, it actually does sound like a good story. In fact, it kind of sounds like a story we're
I guess so.
in the middle of.
It was
Look at
nice
that.
learning about your...
What the hell was that? What's going on up here? Hold on. Reverse.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
Where did you guys do? What are you up to?
Quite a warm welcome.
Sorry about everything, but we'll help you get settled.
You can make it up to me by giving me a tool.
I suppose that's all right. Anything in particular?
How about
So
the
what do you think is
bridge?
going on?
I'd like to see what you do.
Some guy who was supposed to be on our ship just rose from the ocean like the Venus de Milo.
Is this part of like a novel here?
Meanwhile,
I'm sure she
these two start getting acquainted
How's it going?
over a bottle.
Hey, won't be an unsociable ass. You stopped, so might as well have a drink.
What? It's still morning.
Come on, what are you, an angel?
He's got a
You met
point.
a military man who said no to a drink.
Oh, just a sip. Just to be sociable.
Uh-huh.
That wasn't so hard, was it? So what are you doing? Something with pipes, looks like?
Collecting samples for analysis.
Analysis of what?
Gross alpha beta radiation and the like. There's nothing to worry about. It's routine for this area.
Alpha beta radiation.
It's good stuff.
Seems
Yeah,
like
it makes sense. I mean, they did ignite a shit ton of warheads out here back in the day.
He's still not back.
Did they?
I gotta go looking. Thanks for the drink.
Cheers.
I guess so.
Oh,
It was nice learning about
you're
your...
just yelling for your poor subordinate dude who's just here to try and help. Have I discovered scenes yet? I feel like I should have. I've seen The Late Passenger, that's for sure. I don't know what exit through the gift shop is. Alright, Hugh's coming around probably. You coming around here, Hugh? You should be. Alright, I'm seeing discoloration, which tells me that stuff is going backwards. Hey, you there. What you up to? What are you doing? No, I want the cup. Can I? Yeah. Alright, well, you keep writing. This might do it for this episode. It does look like actually we've seen quite a few of the scenes. It said on my list of scenes, it said 25 of 30, which means that we've seen 25 different things happen. Oh, hello. Hello. Did you guys find any of that gross alpha beta gamma radiation you were talking about? Is that what this is for? Is this like a thermometer thing? Excuse me. Okay. Let's see what we're dealing with here. 27. I've got 27. So now that I've unlocked her in here working and them over here doing their research, and there's me. Down in the research facility. Let's go. You'll have to excuse me. Oh! Is this where the... no. Wait, that's the captain? I want to say... No, captain is 4, chevrons, or 4 bars, or whatever, right? Whose book is this? Does it say on it? No. Oh, hello, there you are. It's the captain. What are you doing, just like checking for stowaways? Looking for clothes for the old man? Oh, wait, something up here going on. The robe for the dude. Okay, so I think back down below again one more time. Okay, so no, it was her. It was just her chilling. So what is that, 28, 29 maybe? Where was that other one? It was down here, I want to say. In the research facility. Also in the kitchen. Kitchen, research facility, and the thing right here. Alright, let's get to the kitchen. ASAP. Where are we? Hello. Oh, okay. Are you drunk now? You are. Okay, whatever. Well, I don't have time to deal with that. I gotta deal with whatever's down here. Listen, I know that you've been working really hard with Gerald and with the research and stuff. I might have grabbed a couple of your symbol cards. Oh! It's getting all corrupted. What the fuck was that? Whoa! What happened? The ice. Oh no, the captain. Where the hell is the chef? Where's anybody? Oh. What the heck? Okay. So we hit an ice shelf. And that's it. End of Act 1. There's me, just chilling there. Can I... Oh, man. Well, that was cool. We got a nice little idea of what's going on the ship. We saw that... Oh, what the shit is going on here? And now I have a headdress? What is going on? Okay, the floor is draining. I see. Hope you'll sail with us again. Oh, these are just where I am apparently. Hi.
Welcome back.
Good to see you again.
So, how was it? You're so fun to watch. Anywho, now that you have a ticket to the Time Boat experience, you can come and go as you please. When you're ready, simply reboard the Aikman via a photo booth near you. But you know all this.
Totally.
We've had this conversation before. In fact, I believe it is a very special anniversary. Remind
Today?
me to tell the sweeper to sing to you later.
The sweeper? Is today a special anniversary? Did I start my life in the under like just recently? I feel like it was just recently. Golden coffee cup. Okay, so this is probably whoa. You're huge. How did you get so big? You want golden coffee? Okay. I don't know who you are or where you came from, but that's wild. Well, it's good to be back in the under because the Aikman is definitely kind of a stressful ship to be on, but at the same time, it's a good time boat. I'm gonna leave this episode here. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Gummy Worm Jim. I like that you always just show back up at the end there.